Amaya, what are you listening to? What song is that? Party Rock? Is that your favorite song? Favorite song? Do you have any other favorite songs? What? Do you have another favorite song? What's your favorite song? Party Rock? Do you like any other songs?
Yes.
Like what?
Song.
Song? Like what? You don't know the songs? Okay. Can you dance to Party Rock? Let me see. Okay. You're doing the Itsy Bitsy Spider to Party Rock, huh? You gonna dance? Go ahead. Can you say hating is bad? It's what we call chair dancing at the Tucker house. Only you're on the couch. Raise the roof. Say raise the roof. Fist pump. That's a fist pump, right? Amaya, what are you listening to it on? What's this called? What is this? Party Rock on the what? Oh, that was me. Is that your iPad?
Yes,
iPad. Okay.